Guys, myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today I'll be discussing about the GK and GS one-liner questions, that is part 47. I request you guys to check up to part 46 have been discussed in playlist. You can have a look, which are very useful for all competitive examinations, even defense examinations. That is, these are all papers which are previously asked, so don't skip them. They are very important. For the last 20 years it has been compiled. Let us see what exactly we have. The insect which lays eggs in water is known as dragonfly. Please remember guys, we knew that that insect which lays eggs in water. It lays eggs in water. As usual, we knew that mosquitoes also lays in water. Excretory organs of insects, they are Malpighian tubules. This is one thing you have to remember. Excretory organs of insects are Malpighian tubules. The formation of fruit without fertilization is known as parthenocarpy. This is one thing you have to remember. What are the formation of fruit without fertilization? That is known as parthenocarpy. Vedas, they are the religious books of Hindus. Please remember, whatever the Vedas we have, they are religious books of Hindus. You can see to the right side how exactly parthenocarpy looks. They are the formation of fruit without fertilization. They are all parthenocarpy. The maiden woman, it means the first woman president of United Nations General Assembly was. She was the one Miss Vijayalakshmi Pandit. You can see to the right side. Miss Vijayalakshmi Pandit was the first foreign embassy as well. She was the first woman president of United Nations General Assembly. The optics is the study of lights. Please remember guys, whatever the optics, that is the study of lights. Voltmeter, it is used for measuring voltage. We knew that whatever voltmeter we have, what exactly the use of the voltmeter is? To measure the voltage. Wheel and axle plant of Indian Railways is located at which place? That is located at Bangalore. So whatever we have, wheel and axle plant of Indian Railways, that is located in Bangalore. Now it is known as Bengaluru. The lightest metal, we should remember, among all the periodic table, the lightest we have is lithium. But whatever the option it is given, aluminum is the lightest metal. If they says what is the heaviest metal, osmium, which is used in the ink pen, we knew that there is a nib in front of the ink pen. That nib is the weight, maximum weight you will find. That is known as osmium. The present decimal system was the invention of Indians. This is one thing you have to remember. Whatever the decimal system, it was invented, that is invention by the Indians only. Next we have the Sea of Tranquility is located in on the moon. As you can see to the right side how exactly moon looks like, and whatever the Mare Serenitatis, Mare Tranquilitatis, these are all the places where you find the Sea of Tranquility, which you will find on the moon only. That is the location where it is marked as the Sea of Tranquility. Osteology, this is the study of bones. Whatever the study of the bones, that is known as osteology. Chandigarh was designed by, we know that whatever the Chandigarh, the city, it's one of the beautiful city. If you see from the overview, you will find a good planning and as well as good constructions have been taken place. It was designed by Le Corbusier. So he is the guy who had made the finest city and he was designed. Le Corbusier made this Chandigarh city. I request you guys to check playlist and share it to your friends. You can join me on Defense ICTA Telegram. There are more than 1000 question papers have been given. As it is segregated into various parts, you can have a good look in the playlist. RH factor, you know what exactly the RH factor is? That is rhesus factor. This was found in the monkey. This RH factor, it is a term that we hear in connection with, that is concerning to what? Blood transfusion. This is what exactly to be remembered. This RH factor is a term that we hear in connection with the blood transfusion. We knew that whatever the blood group we have, group A, B, O and AB, these are all red blood cell types, antibodies in plasma, antigens in red blood cells. This is what exactly you have to remember. So for the group A, antibodies in plasma, that is anti-B, A antigen, B antigen, A and B antigens, these are all you have to remember. Atoms are composed of electrons and nuclei. This is one thing you have to remember. Their atoms are composed of what? Electrons and nuclei. In atoms we have the protons and neutrons, electrons surrounding around that. The eastern coast of India is known as, we knew that whatever the eastern coast, that is Malabar coast, and the Coromandel coast. Eastern coast is Coromandel. We have the Malabar coast, which is to the south, that is in Kerala. So there are various coasts you have to remember. All the coast you may be asked. The author of the book My Presidential Years. Please remember the book name is My Presidential Years. It was written by R. Venkatraman, though he was a president. So he had written the book, that is My Presidential Years. The lines drawn on a map through places having equal height above sea level are called contours. Please remember guys, whatever the lines drawn on a map through places having equal height above sea level. So whatever we have the equal height above sea level, they are known as contours. The Sikh Guru was tortured to death by Jahangir on a charge of treason. That is, as you can see, Arjun Dev. He was the Sikh Guru who had been tortured to death by Jahangir on a charge of treason. He is Arjun Dev. So you can see, we knew that there are total number of Sikh Gurus are 10. The maiden one, Guru Nanak Dev. The last one, Guru Govind Singh, who had formed Khalsa. The chemical is used for preservating fruit juices in our country, that is sodium benzoate. Please remember guys, whatever the chemical we use for preservating fruit juices in our country, that is sodium benzoate is used in that for the ripening, and for you can see that for the preservating of the fruit juices, sodium benzoate. The process of removing the hardness of water is called softening. You can see how exactly water softness, hard water directly converted into soft water by partially depleted in it. So overall you have to put them in softener resin tank. Here what you have to remember is, the process of removing the hardness of water is known as softening. The process of union of two or more molecules of a substance to form large single molecule, that is known as polymerization. Polymerization means this is one process of union of two or more molecules of a substance to form large single molecule. Next we have the oldest dynasty among all, whatever has been given. Shatavahanas was the oldest dynasty which have been given. In that option it has been given as Shatavahana, so that was the oldest dynasty. The walls of the thermos bottle are polished to prevent loss of heat by the radiation, convection and conduction. So all these you have to remember. So whatever it happens, that is through the process of all these three: radiation, conduction, convection process, we don't lose any kind of heat from the thermos bottle. Next we have Al-Biruni, who came to India with Muhammad of Ghazni. We knew that whenever Muhammad Ghazni has come, he had come along with the, as you can see here, in the court of Sultan Muhammad Ghaznavi. Al-Biruni, as you can see, he was born 5th September 973 in Kut. died in 13th December 1048 in Ghazi. Today, which is located in Afghanistan, was a Persian scholar and polymath of the 11th century. You can see here, he was the one, he came to India with, that is Muhammad of Ghazni. Ad valorem means according to value. You have to remember what exactly the meaning of ad valorem. That is according to value. It is given in the foreign term. The organ responsible for the water balance in the human body, that is kidney. We knew that whatever the organ responsible for the water balance in the human body is kidney, that regulates and cleanses the blood and whatever the excrete that directly come out by the urine. The chairman of the Public Accounts Committee appointed by whom? That is appointed by the Speaker. Please remember, whoever the chairman of Public Accounts Committee has been appointed by the Speaker. Next we have one caste, one region and one God for all. Was the message of, that is given by whom? That is given by Sri Narayan Guru. So this is one thing you have to remember, one caste, one region and one God for all. This was the message of Sri Narayana Guru. You have to remember this. You may ask this type of slogans or quotations because you will be asked each topic wise, so you have to remember everything. The Viceroy was instrumental in establishing the first agricultural research institute in India. He was Lord Curzon. So the Viceroy was instrumental in establishing the first agricultural institute in India was Lord Curzon. He was the one who had divided the Bengal from India. Partition of Bengal had been taken place by the Lord Curzon himself. So 1905 he started doing that. So he was the main instrumental establishing the first agricultural research institute. The Government of India Act, that is 1935, introduced, that is provincial autonomy. So we should remember that. So whatever the Government of India Act, that is 1935, it introduced provincial autonomy. The monetary measure to control inflation is an increase in variable reserve ratio. That is what exactly how we monetary measure be taken to control inflation by an increase in variable reserve ratio. These are all few questions which I have compiled from various examinations. This is my mobile number 7667302252. You can message me or WhatsApp me if you want 2100 PDF of GK and GS.